How to customize haptic touch settings on iPhone X. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, tap Touch. Now, tap Haptic Touch. Here, you can choose between fast and slow touch duration. Tap Fast if you want haptic touch actions to activate more quickly, or choose Slow if you prefer to press and hold a little longer before the action appears. Below, you'll see an image preview. Press and hold the preview to test the selected touch duration before leaving the settings. Once you've chosen your preferred option, simply go back. Your changes will be saved automatically and applied immediately. Keep in mind that haptic touch replaces 3D touch on iOS 16, even on devices like the iPhone X that originally supported 3D touch. And that's it. You've successfully customized the haptic touch settings on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.